here is a one-of-a-kind vehicle. 2002 PT Cruiser, Dream Cruiser Series 1 edition with some custom painted flames. This could easily be the next collector vehicle out of the PT Cruiser line. Of course, when Dodge was making these, they sold quite a fair amount, and they started making special editions. This was the very first special edition that Dodge created in the PT Cruisers, and as you know, a lot of you became familiar with the Woodies, and these were kind of a cult phenomenon back in the early 2000s and when they came out, and very, very popular vehicle. Now this particular one in the Dream Cruiser Series 1, it was an Inca gold metal flake paint. That's the way all of them came. This is a serialized car. There was 7,500 to be built by Dodge. This particular one is number 2,633. And there is a little plaque on the dash that will tell you that. Now, as far as this flame job on the front, as you may know, Chrysler started getting into the customization business of their own. So they were selling vinyl graphics that you could put on the sides, kind of about right down here where the side of that hood is, and then off the back rear of the fender right here. And they were a vinyl graphic that could be stuck on, and they'd customize your PT Cruiser. The owner of this vehicle took it to the next level, had it custom painted into this blue to purple to red to yellow to orange tipped flame job, and that is paint. It is very nice. It's got a slight metallic to it in it, if you can see it, but you can see how nice it blends between the colors. Professional job. Now the thing about this one is this may be one of the lowest mile PT Cruisers on the planet, coming in at 2,290 miles on the odometer right now. And yes, it is a one owner. They bought it brand new. They got their name on the waiting list to get this vehicle. So tell you what, check out the still pictures. You want to see what this thing looks like. It's brand new. Check out the undersides, interior, under the hood. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Now down below this video there's a link in the description. Click on that. That's going to take you right to it. Or you can call us 507-386-1726. Now of course these were powered by the 2.4 liter underneath the hood, and that's paired with an automatic with overdrive transmission. But you can just see how flawless this is with the miles on it. Now this car was stored and professionally maintained, started and ran each summer, fall and winter. Only time this car's been wet is when it's been washed. These are the original wheels, original tires. You can see the Inca gold inserts on the center caps to match the gold in the car. So it's been the same Inca gold that was used on the Prowler. But look up and down, you can see how nice the paint is. It's not full of chips. Again, stored and well maintained. Power equipment, steering, brakes, AC of course. Windows, it says two-stage heated seats, power sunroof. A lot of goodies on this one. Now, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this vehicle transported to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. So ask your sales associate when you call in or email us. Be happy to help you out with that. Again, come around to the back, you can see paint, great luster all the way around it. Paint's pretty much flawless from what I've seen on it. There's your Dream Cruisers Series 1 badge on the rear. Now, of course, that was kind of a play off of the Woodward Dream Cruise, where the name came from. And like I said, then there was a series and series and series after this. This would be the original one. So if you're a collector, you into the PT Cruisers, here you go. It also will come with the original sales brochure, window sticker, all the owner's manuals, all of that. You can see that in the pictures too. And again, those pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video, there's a link in the description. Click on it. It's going to take you there. Or call 507-386-1726. It's a matching painted dash. I'm going to open this rear and show you too. This interior is just like new. It's a tricolor Interior, incorporating some of that Inca gold inserts, along with the cream and the gray, the cream and taupe kind of, let's say as far as color-wise. But look at this interior. Just like new. Vehicle still smells like new on the inside. And again, stored, professionally maintained, started, ran every spring, summer, and fall. Headliner in great shape. You can check out the seating, it's just unbelievable. Notice this too when I open the door up here. Look at in these jams. I mean, it's like brand new. There's no wear on the carpeting, the handles, the seats. Take a look at this. Look in these door jambs here. Doesn't get much cleaner. I'm going to go ahead and start this up. And first of all, let's show you the miles. Now, there is a recall that needs to be done on this car. It's going down a couple miles from where we're at in our shop here to our local Dodge Chrysler dealer. And they will be doing the recall on it. So right now it shows 22.9. I suppose I'll put a few miles on it going down there and back. So just figure, roughly figure 2,300 miles in this vehicle. There's your Dream Cruiser series number, 2633. Dash in perfect shape. There are no warning lights on, warning indicators, engine light, anything like that. Just that seatbelt light. I don't have my seatbelt on. All stock. Nothing's modified. And everything appears to be in working order. AC blows cold. You can hear how smooth this thing runs. Nicely, everything closes and fits. No crazy exhaust, just what you'd expect out of an 02 PT Cruiser. Now, I'm going to slip up here to the front. I'm going to pause this a second, and I want to pop this hood so you can check out this engine bay, see how clean and nice this is. Alright, and as you would expect, from the headliner to the engine bay, I mean, this thing is just like new, I should say, hood liner, excuse me, headliner, but hood liner. Just like new. Extremely clean, smooth running. Look at that. So there you go. If you're a collector of the PT Cruisers, maybe you have a stash of a few of them. Maybe you always loved them growing up and you want to have one yourself that's a little different. And not like everybody else's. One that's a little custom, like they were doing back in the early 2000s. Here you go. One owner, clean Carfax, no accidents, about as new as you can get, maybe the lowest mile one around. A little under 2,300 miles. Give us a call on this 2002 Chrysler PT Cruiser, Dream Cruiser Series 1, number 2633. We can be reached at 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website. You can see the still pictures. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email us. Look forward to hearing from you on this one.